Meaning of Explorer I.
Explorer I.
Explorer I.
Explorer I.
Explorer I. Explorer I was the first satellite launched by the United States on January 31, 1958. It was part of the U.S. government's efforts to explore space and marked the beginning of the American space program. Explorer I weighed about 30 pounds and carried scientific instruments to study cosmic rays. The data it collected helped confirm the existence of the Van Allen radiation belt, a zone of magnetically trapped particles surrounding the Earth. This discovery paved the way for further exploration of space and provided valuable insights into the nature of our planet's magnetic field.